Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a recipe for a salad. It's delicious, easy to make, and very fast recipe. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we'll need a sheet of paper, and we're using 300 grams of chicken breast, and let's dry it out. Then let's add some salt and some curry. Now let's cook the chicken breast in some oil and in a frying pan. 2 minutes on each side. Then let's add half a glass of water and close it with a lid for about 15 to 20 minutes. When it's ready, let's take it out and let it rest and cool down. Now let's cut it into little squares. Let's marinate some onions. I'm using red onion and cutting it into squares. Let's add it into a little bowl. Add some salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using apple cider. Let's add some hot water and mix it until the sugar and salt is dissolved. Now let's fry some walnuts. I'm using 50 grams. Now let's peel the walnuts. And now let's cut some marinated mushrooms. I'm using 300 grams. I'm cutting it into little squares. Let's cut some dill and let's prepare the salad. First the chicken, then some red beans, the walnuts, mushrooms, the marinated onion, and the dill. Let's add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix it all together. The salad is ready. Let's put it into some bowls to decorate it a little bit. Let's plate it and eat it. It's delicious, healthy, and very easy to make. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my recipes. Thank you for watching!